Ready to test your vocabulary skills from beginner to expert level. 35 questions, 5 seconds each. Let's jump right in. Level 1, Beginner. Question 1. You use this item when writing something important that can't be erased. It's a pen, P-E-N, pen. Question 2. This is a piece of furniture used for working or studying. Did you get it? It's a desk, D-E-S-K, desk. Question 3. You sit on this when you're working or studying. The correct response is chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Let's move on to the next one. Question 4. You turn this on to get more light in a dark room. It's a lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. Question 5. This item tells you what time it is. You guessed correctly if you said clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Question 6. You use this to keep papers together and organized. It's a folder, F-O-L-D-E-R, folder. Question 7. This thin material is used for writing or printing on. Did you get it? Paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper. Question 8. This machine prints out documents and photos. It's a printer, P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Question 9. This tool helps you draw straight lines or measure things. If you guessed ruler, R-U-L-E-R, ruler, you are correct. Ready for the last question in this section. Question 10. If you make a mistake, what you write with this tool can be erased. It's a pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Intermediate level, let's go. Question 11. These colorful wax sticks are used to draw and color. The answer is crayons, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. Keep going. Question 12. This device lets you talk to people, even if they are far away. You guessed it right if you said telephone, T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. Question 13. This small pin is used to attach papers to a board. Did you get it? It's a thumbtack, T-H-U-M-B-T-A-C-K, thumbtack. Also called a pushpin, and in the UK, it's known as a drawing pin. Question 14. These are printed works you read for fun or studying. You are spot on if you said books, B-O-O-K-S, books. Question 15. Books are stored on this piece of furniture. It's a bookcase, B-O-O-K-C-A-S-E, bookcase. Question 16. You write notes in this at school or work. Spot on if you said notebook, N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. Question 17. This flat device is used to browse the web, watch videos, or read. It's a tablet, T-A-B-L-E-T, tablet. Last few questions, keep pushing. Question 18. This holds papers securely with metal rings. You are correct if you said binder, B-I-N-D-E-R, binder. Question 19. This model shows the Earth and its countries. It's a globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe. Ready for the last question in this section. Question 20. This sticky strip seals boxes, packages, and holds things together. The answer is tape, T-A-P-E, tape. Let's move on to the advanced level. You've got this. Question 21. This item is used to send letters or important documents through the mail. It's an envelope, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E, envelope. Question 22. This portable computer is great for working or studying on the go. It's a laptop, L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. Keep that momentum going. Question 23. You can use this to write down your thoughts or keep personal notes. If you guessed journal, J-O-U-R-N-A-L, journal, you are correct. Question 24. This set of keys is used for typing on a computer. It's a keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Question 25. This board has a clip to hold papers while you write. If you guessed clipboard, C-L-I-P-B-O-A-R-D, clipboard, nice work. On to the next one. Question 26. This tool is used to cut paper or other materials. Did you get it? The answer is scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Question 27. This felt tip pen, with a thick tip, is used for writing on different surfaces. It's a marker. M-A-R-K-E-R, marker. Question 28. This device is used to fasten papers together. If you guessed stapler, S-T-A-P-L-E-R, stapler, you got it. Great job. Question 29. This item highlights important text in bright colors. If you guessed highlighter, H-I-G-H-L-I-G-H-T-E-R, highlighter, you are correct. Question 30. This item is used to remove pencil marks. The answer is eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. In the UK, this is referred to as a rubber. Let's dive into the expert level questions together. This chart helps you track the days, weeks, and months. It's a calendar, C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R, calendar. Question 32. This handheld device controls the cursor on your computer screen. It's a mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Question 33. You use this tool for quick math. Did you get it? It's a calculator, C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-O-R, calculator. You're doing great. Almost there. Question 34. This device powers up your phone or other electronic devices. If you guessed charger, 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 way to go. Question 35. You write on this glossy board with special markers. The answer is whiteboard. WHITEBOARD, whiteboard. Bonus question. This ancient tool helps you count and do simple math using beads on rods. It's an abacus. ABACUS, abacus. Well done. Thanks for participating. See you next time.